Have you ever wondered when was the first fireworks made? Or how many satellites have been sent into space? Or what does the word Kimino mean? Don't worry, because I got all the answers in this book. I got it here, the Big Picture Book of General Knowledge from Usborne. And this book, it's amazing. You will not be surprised what you'll find inside. Everything with all types of facts. Wow, and that's your body. Wow. Amazing facts. All for almost every topic. Another series from Usborne that is perfect, designed for homeschooling, or just pretty much just if you want to advance the knowledge of your children before they're going back to school. You got everything covered. Wow. Amazing. Starting from age 6 and above is ideal for them to start learning the text, what's written in here. This is what's my favorite part. The precious gems, precious stones. Building. The space. Wow. I love this. Just for $12.99.